Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign XML documents with digital signatures. A digital signature acts like a tamper-proof seal for your XML data, confirming who sent it and that it hasn't changed. It protects crucial information by ensuring both authenticity and integrity. This process is essential for secure communication, especially when dealing with financial transactions or legal documents. We will explore the fundamental concepts and practical steps involved in this robust security measure. Every XML digital signature is built around a few core elements that work together. The overarching signature element brings everything together, containing all the pieces that make up your digital seal. Within this, the signed info element carefully details exactly what parts of your XML are being signed and which cryptographic methods are applied. Furthermore, the key info element usually includes the public key needed for anyone to verify the signature. Signing an XML document involves several distinct, secure steps. Initially, your XML data is transformed into a standardized format through canonicalization, which ensures consistent byte representation regardless of minor structural differences. This standardized data is then processed by a hashing algorithm, producing a compact, fixed-size digest. This digest is the core proof of integrity. Finally, this hash is encrypted using your private key, creating the unique digital signature itself, ready to be attached. Verifying an XML digital signature is just as crucial as creating one. The process starts by decrypting the signature value using the sender's public key, revealing the original message digest. In parallel, you independently compute the hash of the received XML document after it has undergone the same canonicalization. If these two calculated hash values are identical, you can be absolutely confident that the document is authentic and has not been tampered with since it was signed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.